Welcome back, everybody. I had a chance to come down to Florida to the Gulf Coast and do a little fishing with my kids. Florida just had a historic cold front, one of the coldest stretches of weather in recent history. Temperatures were down to 25 to 30 degrees at night, which was absolutely insane. So we're coming off of that, and the fishing might be touch and go. We're hoping for the best. We're gonna see what happens. We're hoping to get some sea trout because I have an exciting Florida-inspired recipe I want to make. The views out here are absolutely stunning. There's nothing like being on the Florida Gulf Coast. All of the inlets, all the little jetties, the mangroves. It's such a gorgeous area. What a beautiful morning out on the water. Getting up here into some of these little inlets around all these beautiful waterside homes. The trout are starting to bite like crazy. It's actually hard to get the camera out. We're pulling in one trout after another. Beautiful speckled sea trout. As quickly as we started catching trout, the bite died off and we headed back. We're back from fishing. Started out really exciting, then it got really frustrating. We had 3 hours of nothing at the end, but we have a bunch of trout. Let's make a fish fillet with Florida orange sauce. Let's slice a Florida orange. Oh, check that out. Looks nice. Squeeze some orange juice, followed by orange zest. Fresh orange juice is killer, but orange zest, there's nothing like it. Florida orange blossom honey and soy sauce. Oh yeah, mix that honey up. Soy, orange, oh, this is gonna be so good. Set that aside till later. Today I have the Blackstone Camp Griddle with a side burner. Put a cast iron skillet on the side burner. Turn that heat down really low. Avocado oil. Fresh garlic, ginger paste. You can use fresh ginger, but I was in a hurry. And diced red bell pepper. Mix that together. Oh man, smell is out of this world. Let's get our fish ready. Our sea trout fillets. Look how nice that is. Gonna put those on a paper towel. Make sure these are dry so we can get a good sear. If you want to test to know if your seafood is fresh, smell it. Zero smell, zero odor, that's fresh seafood. A little bit of avocado oil down on the fish. Rub that in. Some black pepper. And some Himalayan pink salt. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. I picked up some yellow rice, pre-cooked saffron seasoned basmati rice. Easy peasy. If you've never used this before, all you do is crumble it up and put it straight down on the griddle top. A little bit of avocado oil in the rice. Oil, garlic, ginger, and pepper is looking good. We're gonna combine that beautiful orange, soy, honey sauce. Look at this. Oh, this is gonna be killer. And we'll let that simmer for a couple of minutes. Rice is looking right nice. Down with those beautiful fresh sea trout fillets. The soy and the honey and the orange. The smell of this sauce is out of this world. Flip the fish after just a few minutes. We're not gonna overcook this. Very light and flaky fillet. Come over here for my rice. You wanna be really careful with fish. It doesn't take long and you do not wanna overcook your fish. Fish is a little bit like chicken. I'm gonna lay the fish right on top of that rice. Whew, that looks good. Maybe something just like that. Get a paper towel because that skillet is blazing hot. You can see that simmering sweet goodness. We're gonna finish with orange as well. And I think we'll finish that off with a little sprig of cilantro on top of the fish. Take a look at that. Wow, my goodness. Been staring at this. I've been trying to get beauty shots, and I'm about ready to go crazy. I don't want to bite into it yet. It looks so good. I don't know where to start. So I think we're going to go in there and get some of that delicious, sticky, sweet Florida orange sauce. And look at that. See? Break off a piece of that fish. You know fish is done when it flakes beautifully like that. Let's give it a try. I certainly hope that it looks as good on camera as it does here in person. A lot of people eating a lot of good food here on the beach today, but I guarantee you, nobody here eating as good as I'm eating. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. If you've never had the chance to go fishing here in Florida to catch fresh fish like this and make something like this, especially with the Florida oranges, you just have to do it. It's so good. I'm gonna get this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com, and make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network. In fact, tomorrow I'm going to meet up with Blackstone Betty, Hungry Hussy, CJ, Nate, Jeremy, and the whole crew. So until next time, everybody, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the fish, the fresh fish from Florida.